Okay, so in the last video we created our form, looks like this. Click on Start Quiz and we create a variable which we've not used yet and an answer variable, and we asked a question. So now we need to do a check. So if answer equals London, then, so if question equals answer, oh well, yeah, if answer equals correct, I wrote that wrong, add to score and praise. So okay, player score equals player score plus 1, and praise them. So let's do message box. You are right. Else message box. What? Seriously? Okay. So let's just test that. So now, what should happen is if I type in London, it should add something to the score. Won't be able to see that, but it should. So what is the capital of the UK? London. You are right. Ace. Okay, let's try that again. What is the capital of the UK? Crewe. What? Seriously? Ace. That works. And they have to type it properly because, yeah. So that is the basics of our quiz. Ask a question, check the answer. If answer, let's just make that more correct. Answer is right. And we'll move that here. Otherwise tell them they're wrong. Okay, so that's basically it. So let's see, it's question 1. Repeat until the end of the quiz, give overall score. Okay, message box. You got a score of score. Okay, so now let's test this. Start quiz. What's the capital of the UK? London. You are right. You got a score of 1. Ace. What's the capital of the UK? Manchester. What? Seriously? You got a score of 0. Ace. So that is very simply how to do this. So all we need to do, that's how you ask and answer a question. Repeat until the end of the quiz. So question 2, question 3. So there you are, question 2. The title question 2. What is the capital of France? Paris. Question 3. What is the capital of, let's make it slightly harder, Brazil. Answer equals Brasilia. I think it's only got 1 L. Okay, let's go for question 4. What is the capital of Honduras? No one's going to know this. Tegucigalpa. No one's going to be able to spell it anyway. I mean, you could, of course, change these messages to make it better. And just to make that punctuation a bit better, add a full stop. And then we want the title of that box to be score. Okay, so if we just test this. Start quiz. What is the capital of the UK? London. You are right. What is the capital of Paris, France? Paris. You are right. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. Okay. What's the capital of Honduras? Tegucigalpa. You are right. You got a score of 4. It says score is the title, and that's done there. ace. So my quiz, simple version, is ace. You could obviously extend this, so give feedback based on score. So like, if your score was 2, if your score was 4, if your score was... So yeah, you could add more questions. There are lots and lots of interesting ways to do this, but that's just one simple way.